Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining income goals and constraints. Aim for a dividend yield and timeline. Next, open a brokerage account that supports dividend reinvestment and has clear fees. Fund the account now, link your bank, transfer an amount you're comfortable losing, and account for 2 to 3 business day settlement. Once done, make sure tax forms and dividend preferences, cash versus DRIPA, are set so you can act on specific stock picks immediately. Now you screen and narrow candidates. Use filters for yield, payout ratio, and consistent dividend growth. Then inspect fundamentals like free cash flow and debt to equity to ensure sustainability. Compare similar companies in different sectors to diversify and reduce concentration risk. Once you shortlist, verify ex-dividend dates and recent dividend actions. Companies can change payouts. Make sure valuation isn't extreme. Buying a high yield with weak earnings is risky, so prefer steady payers with clear. Execute the purchase with a plan. Choose market for speed or limit to control price. Size your position relative to portfolio and set simple stop or limit rules. Once bought, enable DRIP if you want automatic reinvestment. Otherwise, track dividend dates and expected payout amounts. Monitor holdings quarterly and rebalance toward healthier yields. If a dividend is cut, don't panic. Review cash flow, payout ratio, and guidance. If fundamentals deteriorate, reduce exposure or sell to protect capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.